Hey guys, Vanessa here. I am a blogger at The Soul Restored, where I help bring sanity back to every aspect of your life. Right now, I'm going to show you how I clean my bathroom. This is my kiddo's bathroom and it is disgusting. And I have been wasting my time on Instagram this morning because I'm exhausted. So I just got out of the shower. I have seriously 10 minutes before I have to go and pick up my daughter from preschool. So you are going to see the real deal. If it takes you longer than 10 minutes to clean a bathroom, there's something wrong. Seriously, just get crazy and do it. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna set a timer or stopwatch. Ooh, stopwatch. Bam. Okay, I'm gonna start it. First of all, really quick, I just want to show you guys. One of the reasons why it only takes me 10 minutes to clean a bathroom is because I have everything underneath my sink. So I always keep a refill of the soap so that we can always make sure that there's hand soap, because my kids, heaven help us, wouldn't wash their hands if I didn't make it incredibly easy for them. And because I don't like diseases, I want to make it simple on everyone. Okay, I always keep these wipes, so if I need to do just a super fast wash down, I can do it just with this and have the kids do it as well. So I try to have them on Mondays do a wipe down of their sink, counter, then toilet, in that order. And then every other week I will do a full cleaning on the bathroom like I'm going to do today. Okay, then this is the big thing. Because I keep all of my cleaning supplies under the sink and washcloths, rags, same thing, toothbrush, I don't have to be running around the house looking for cleaning supplies. I have everything that I need in each bathroom ready stocked, so I have no excuses. I can just get her done. So it's really fast. I've got everything right here, and then I bought all of these things. Everything except for my washcloths at the dollar store. So this was only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I bought a pack of like 10 toothbrushes or 6 toothbrushes, something like that, for $1. So it's really awesome. And yes, I am pretty anal and I do clean things with the toothbrush. Okay, so let's get started. First, I'm just going to spray everything down. Oh, start. Okay, see that? Okay, I'm gonna spray everything down. Oh, tip for your toilet: why clean your bathroom, too often? You don't want to use good cleaning energy when you don't need to clean. So my tip is, until you have a solid black ring around your toilet, no need, don't clean it. Yeah. But for real, until I had kids, I did not even know what a black ring was. Like if someone joked and said that they had a black ring around their toilet, I just thought it was silly. Now that I have children that like to poo and then let the fecal matter fester, yeah, for the first time in my life, unfortunately I can say I know what a black ring around the toilet looks like. These out. Let's see, we're going to do them right here. Okay. Oh, this is my multi-purpose cleaner. So around the toilet, we did the in the toilet one. Let's see. So I'm kind of anal, so I do this just like to sanitize everything. And maybe this is really dangerous, like I'm going to create a bomb here or something, but then I go over and do this as well. Okay, now that I can't breathe, I'm going to turn on the fan. Oh, you guys won't be able to hear me if I turn on the fan. Turn on the fan so that you, don't get sick in the process. Okay, then around the faucet and around the drain, do your CLR, and toothbrush first. Yes, hopefully that's helpful. Okay, do the toothbrush in the sink. Then I'm going to come over here, do the toothbrush around the shower faucet. Then put the plug down, turn on your shower. Or turn on your bath, not your shower, just turn on your bath, because you want to get just a little bit of water in there so that you can scrub the cleaning supplies all around. Now, last time with the toothbrush, around the little hinges of the toilet. Take some toilet paper and just clean it off a little bit, okay? Then dry towel on the mirror before the Windex dries. Depending on how efficient I am, I will clean the sink first before I get to the mirror, but it just depends on how quickly the Windex is drying. And you can even think about doing your Windex last so that you can do your sink and your counter. If you get any spray on your mirror, then go back and finish that. But one of the reasons I like to do it in that order, doing the mirror first, is because I can use a dry towel first, finish that, then I can use a wet rag and use fewer rags the entire time. Okay, so I'm still using the same rag. Depending on how clean or dirty the sink is, and if you have an undermount sink, you'll want to take your toothbrush and go around here and just spray. You can do CLR if you need it, but usually there's not rust. Usually just do your all-purpose antibacterial. Okay, now toilet. Do the top first. Put these bows down here. Then do the bottom. Around the bowl, other side. Then do the seat and under the seat. In every room of the house, I keep a plunger, except for this one, because I have a little girl that likes plungers. And she will play with the plunger, touch the plunger. But hidden in the back, and this is small, also dollar store, I have a toilet scrubber. And if I hide it behind the toilet, she can't see it, and I don't have to worry about it. Okay. If I were really efficient, I would have done the tub first, and I actually oftentimes do that, so that I could take this same rag and use it on the toilet. But I forgot because in a hurry, and I need to go pick up kids. So I'm going to lay out a, actually, let's see. Oh my gosh, guys, you caught me. Normally I have a grocery sack filled with bags, but evidently when my kids were doing garbages around the house, they didn't really fill my stock. But I always keep, like I said, a garbage sack of like 10 bags so that they can always refill the garbages after they've taken them out. And then when I'm cleaning the bathroom, I always have a garbage sack to put my wet rags in so that I don't have to touch them after they've been dirtied. I can just take them downstairs and do a little laundry. So what I'm going to do is just take a dry rag, lay it on the floor, put my dirty rag on top. Okay, Still, we're only at 2 rags, now 3. Get my rags wet to do the shower walls. Because this is like the cheap tiled surround, I can't use a squeegee on it, but that's what we use in every other bathroom. And that just keeps it clean. Now for the tub. If your tub is really bad, you can use one of those green scrubbers and get the ring around the bathtub. But because we clean our bathrooms often enough and well enough, I don't usually get that. Hey guys, now lay it down on your pile, dry rag. This I don't really dry, I think it's fine. I'll dry the perimeter of the tub and that's about it. And then I'll just dry the toilet seat itself. Okay guys, oh man, 11:52. But besides my talking, I really know that you guys could get it done in 10 minutes. It does not have to be a super long and overwhelming process. Give yourself 10 minutes, get it done. Give yourself a timer so that you can make it more like a game and beat the timer. It's really fun. But really, you don't have to have a lot of time on your hands. In between things, just make 10 minutes. Just give yourself 10 minutes. Stock everything in your bathroom so that you're ready to go. Now I'm just going to put everything back under the sink, take my pile of rags, throw them in the laundry, and I'm done. And the bathroom is clean and there's no more black rings. And please, if there's anything else you want to see me clean or organize really fast or efficiently, let me know in the comments below and I would love to do a video on it to help you guys out. And if you have any other questions, please let me know. Wash your hands really, really well. Some people use gloves. I don't have time for gloves. I just get serious and clean. And then because I just realized that I touched my phone after touching the toilet, do yourself a favor. Keep these underneath your sink. Clean your phone off so you don't vomit after you realize it's been touching your face after you touch the toilet and then touched your phone. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.